greatest common factor. Let's look at the numbers first. We have 27 and 18. What's the highest number that can go in both? 9. We'll do the variables in a second. Okay, so I'm going to change color, okay, just to kind of go to the side. My scratch work's going to be over here, all right? Can I move this up a little bit? Is that okay? So I'm looking at 27 and 18. Now, I'm going to do this for a couple of problems, but for after a little bit, I'm going to stop because I need us to have our mental math facts up here. Okay, I understand it's Monday and it may be a while. So let's look at the factors of 27 first. Don't even say 1 and 27. Okay, we're not going there. 2 is not, right? What about 3 times 3 and 9? Anything else? That's it, right? Okay, so go to 18. We have 2 and 9, 3 and 6. Okay, what is the highest number that both of them have in common? 9. So our greatest common factor is 9. Okay, now, let me get another color. I'm feeling springy today, so I'm using like Easter colors, right? That's so cute. Yep. Okay, are we okay with 9 right now? Yeah. Okay, now what I did not talk about on Thursday, I wanted to see how you're going to do, is the variables. Guys, the variables are easier, okay? So let's look at this term. We have y squared, which is y times y, right? And here we just have y. Right, so the best way to do this is you kind of just circle 1 and 1. So there you go. What we're doing is we're factoring out. All right, so watch what I'm getting ready to do. I'll use blue. Parentheses, remember we're doing the opposite. 27 divided by 9 is what? 3. And I still have a y left over, right? It's right there. There it is. Okay. Plus 18 divided by 9 is what? 2. And that's it. Let me stop there. And then I'm going to go to my scratch work. And I'm going to show you kind of a way to remember. All right. So here's the factors I used for 27, right? 9 is out here. So what number's left inside? It's right in front of you. 3. There it is right there. So 18, what factors did I use? These 2, right? I crossed those out. We didn't use them. We took out 9, so what's left? 2. Do you see? Abby, this may help you the way you did your FOIL. You may like this way. Okay? So the work is here. You're just writing it here. Okay? Since y'all are so good at distributive, let's check. Let's do this in our head. Don't write it down unless you want to. What is 9y times 3y? Okay, check. Right. 9y times 2? Check. You're done. Do you see how we literally did the opposite of the distributive property? Okay. How many terms do we have right now? 2. So let's stick with 2 for a few minutes. Okay. Guys, this is kind of a medium level difficulty. Okay, I didn't give you an easy one. That's part of your homework. Okay, so let's look at another one. D. $15W minus 3V. Let me scoot that up a bit. Okay. Let's go do our work on the side. We have 15, and what's our other number? 3. What do you notice about the variables? Are they in common at all? No. You're just going to have to leave them alone. Those are the lonely variables, remember? Can't do anything with. So write down the factors of 15. We have 3 and 5. So 3 over here is just 1 and 3. What is our greatest common factor? 3. So let's go over here. We're going to factor out a 3. Again, our work is over here, right? So what's left inside? 5 and our lonely W, right? Minus, right, 1V. And you're done. Because I know you're going to ask me, you can write it like that or like that. Nope, wrong. Okay, let me make it a little harder. How many terms did A and B have? 2. Let me give you a third one. C. Negative, your favorite, 4A squared B minus 8AB squared plus 2AB. One thing at a time. Let's do our numbers. Is that better? We have -4, -8, and what's our third one? +2. Okay. Hopefully with these three numbers, 4, 8, and 2, the only option here is what? Can we figure it out? 2. Do y'all see? I'm going to write it down, but I want you to start doing it up here because this is the mental math. You need to know your math facts, okay? So 4, 1, 4, and 2, and 2. 8 is 1, 8, 2, and 4. And 2 is simply 1 and 2. Okay. What's the highest number all three numbers have in common? 2. Why is it not 4?
4 is only used one.
4, but this one doesn't use 4, right? Okay, make sure you see that. This is why I do the work, I'll be honest. Okay, so right now, we're going to take out a 2. So let's do that over here. Now let's do the variables. A times B. You have A times B times B. And then here you have A times B. So let's circle what each have in common. Every one of them shares a what? A, and A. So you can go ahead and factor out an A. You see that? What about the letter B? Does that work? So let's take out a B. 1 here, here, and here. So go ahead and take out a B. Okay, now what I have not done is I need to go back and let's circle which factors I'm going to use here. I'm going to use this and that. So one term at a time. So let's go. What is still left up here that we need to make sure we carry? The negative. All right, so I'm just switching up the colors. There's no rhyme or reason in my colors. I just want it to look pretty, I'll be honest. So I factored out a 2. What's left? A 2, -2. Okay. What about my variable? What variable's left? A, 2A. All right, minus, okay. What is left in this factor? 4. And any variables left? B. Plus, so I've factored out a 2. What's left out of the factor of 2? 1, you can write it if not. Do I have any variables left? No, and we're done. This would be like level hard, medium hard, closer to hard. Okay, I have some classwork that actually I'm gonna break it back down. It's gonna be pretty easy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give it to you in a second. Let me do a D. I want you to see the level, the difference of levels. All right. Eighth graders. I know, right?
The grade under us is really weird, so I've got to watch out for next year.
My daughter's in there. What's up? We were just talking about the eighth graders. Do you hear them?
Is that him?
That's the eighth grader. Who you think?
I'm gonna work it out this
Is
week.
this third period?
Well, you can tell me, you take that stack?
Is this online?
No,
No.
you
Oh,
can just
wait.
tell me if you have them.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and give them.
Third period,
It's quite a few.
fourth period. So they're in different classes.
Yeah, you have, if any of them you have.
You talking about today? Or the A day? Okay. I don't have her. Eli, I have. Liam Schrader, tomorrow. Don't have him, I don't know him. Luke, yeah, he's in trouble.
Yeah, he's always.
Addison. Landon, second period. Don't freak out.
That's simple. I mean, it's like, at the beginning, it's like you get one in, it's like,
Yeah, I know, don't have him. Not today. Dylan is second period. Kate, come see me.
she said,
Sorry. Oh, I forgot. Is he second or third? The second.
he did Spanish.
Tyler Deason, come see me. Alyssa, next. Don't have her. Charlotte, don't have him. Yep, right. Do you notice that?
No, that's it.
Okay.
You just put it in there.
I did? I just did, literally.
No,
Look at
look at this.
Addison, come see me.
Look at this.
Oh, you literally just printed these out.
Oh, yeah, they
Okay.
still warm.
Sorry. I can send that right now.
Yeah, most of them, like, if I'm not in my room, just slide them in
That's
their
my
little
fault.
Dropbox.
Trial, I'm sorry, trial second period.
I just did that first one.
Here. Okay. Let me
They put them in the
just-
Dropbox and we'll be good to go.
Put it in his Dropbox.
Yeah. Let me go put that in your Dropbox.
Well, you put them on there.
He literally just did that. Wow, that's crazy. Look at third period.
Oh, well, you got Carson, Peyton, you got a million.
That's second period. I don't have them today.
Well, that one's easier.
Oh, that whole thing is on here, on video. That's funny. Okay, so hopefully you notice, D is easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, so, let's look at our 2, 6 and 14. Let's write down our factors of 6. We have, I said earlier I didn't want to do 1. Let's just go ahead and write 1. Factors of 6, 1 and 6, and obviously 2 and 3. 14 is 2 and
So,
what is our greatest common factor? 2 and 2. Okay, so let's factor out a 2. So cute. What is left? 3C, right? 3C plus Shelby? 7. Easy, right? Okay. Part of your homework I'm going to go ahead and give you. I'm going to give you time to do it right now. It is this level, okay? I'm going to give you 14 problems. You're going to start it now, or you're going to finish it for homework. They're like D. Why do you think I'm giving this kind to you right now?
you get it in our head.
To master it. Remember I said last week, we got to master this stuff, okay? A, B, and C we'll finish the class on, okay? All right, so we feel good about D now? Sometimes teaching math, you got to show hard. So easy is just that, easy, okay? Yes, hon.
What was that thing that you just checked this morning?
Quiz is in the IXL and the bookwork.